Hello and welcome back everybody. I'm the Jurassic Gamer and today we're going to be starting a new series called the Jurassic Bakery. And since it's Easter, we're going to start off by making a Mars Bar Milkshake. Okay, so what you're going to need is some milk, some caramel sauce, some Mars bars, some flakes, some chocolate eggs to be the dinosaur eggs, and some ice cream. Let's do this. Okay, the first step is that you're going to need to get the ice cream and get a big scoop. So if you're making it for one person, you don't need one scoop, but I'm going to make it for two people, so I'm going to need 2 scoops. And the second step is that you're going to need 1 cup of milk per person. So for me, I'll be needing to put in 2 cups of milk. 1, 2. Now, you're going to need to put in some caramel sauce. That looks good. And some caramel sauce for me. So good. Okay, and now I'm going to put on the lid. Screw it on, make sure it's tight. And you're going to put it onto the blender. And I'm going to turn it on. And it's really loud! Okay, so now that's finished. We'll unattach it. It's our milkshake. Ugh, can't get it off. Now, for decoration, I'm going to add some caramel sauce and just put it around the cup like that. So it'll look really cool, hopefully. Okay, and now, get the milkshake and put the milkshake in. Oh yeah. Okay, so now more decoration. We'll just get a little bit of more ice cream. Not that much. And we'll put it in like that. Okay, now I'm gonna add some caramel sauce. Just a little bit of caramel sauce there. And I already have some flake crushed up. So to make the nest for the dinosaur next, I'm gonna put some flake in. It's like the dirt and the leaves and whatnot in the nest. And then some chocolate eggs to add as the dinosaur eggs. And even if you want, you could add a little bit more sauce. Oh yeah.